TV now. This is the brand. This is a Indian brand Coca, and the power, everything is here. I'm just going to test this, and we're going to find out. So let's on the TV and see. All right. So this is the screen. If you can see. Uh, the brand of the TV, I mean the company is Coca, so it's a Google TV, and this is not an Android TV, this is a Google TV. So let's find out. I have fixed all the cable, HDMI port, everything, and the landline as well. So let's find out. So I did not open this plastic. Later on I will open this. Because of this the screen is coming like this, so maybe today the internet is not quite good, otherwise it doesn't take that much time. So because of the rain, maybe the network is not good, so we'll find out. So here is the one. Content failed to load, request content, so we'll try again. Maybe we will try to put it into, so this is the picture, if you can see, right? And we'll try the volume as well. So Netflix, YouTube, everything, Sony, and we have this. Let's see the sound quality. I don't know why it's taking so much time. Let's go back and see. This is the display screen is QLED. I thought of taking a mini LED QLED, but it was not in the stock, so basically I have taken this QLED. So I believe the display will be good, so we'll try to see. So here is the one. So the YouTube, then let's, okay, so if you can see the picture quality, it's not so bad. So let's try any one. We'll see. So this is the sound quality, and let's look at the sample. So this is the picture, right? So this is the sound. Well, according to my experience, the picture quality is quite good, but obviously we cannot compare the brand. But the sound quality is also okay, because this is a Dolby, and it is Atmos Dolby. So basically, as per the budget, this I would say that I like the TV, and this is good. So basically I bought this TV in order to watch the World Cup football. So it's in the month of June, I believe. So because of that, I just want to switch on to a bigger TV or display screen. rather than a small one. I had this 43 inches, which is Samsung. It was a branded one, but this I thought, why not I go for a Indian company? But I think I will not regret this buying this. So my experience is the sound quality is also good, the picture quality is also good. So if you can see on my the one I'm taking right here, see, this is the picture quality.